Cider AI versus ChatGPT. So first, Cider AI is a browser extension that integrates multiple AI models, which includes ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude, providing an all-in-one tool for tasks within your browser. In contrast, ChatGPT is a standalone conversational AI that lets you access through its own platform for API. So in here, Cider AI is good for users who want to compare different AI models. It have in-context assistance, real-time data, and workflow integration. Meanwhile, ChatGPT is a standalone conversational AI that's with its own dedicated environment. It also have advanced models as well as deep reasoning, known for its powerful and in-depth reasoning capabilities. It's best for users who need raw power, depth of reasoning, and advanced features of single state-of-the-art AI model for complex tasks. So, if you're asking which one is best, it actually depends on your use case. If you want workflow integration and comparison, choose Cider. If you want conversational AI, choose ChatGPT. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.